Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. As you know, we are discussing about subtraction. So, we are solving from the workbook page number 39. So, above these sums I have solved already in your previous class. So, same now we will going to solve here. Find the difference. Again what it is? Find the difference. So, now from ones place we cannot subtract 8 from the 3. So for that what we do, whenever we are solving the addition or subtract, we start solving from ones place. So as you know, we start solving from ones place, then we will take a borrowing. To solve this we will take a borrowing from tens place. Here are 6 tens. So from 6 tens you give 1 10 to ones place. So here it will become 13 and 6 will become here 5. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. We subtract 13. From 13 we subtract 8. So what will remain? 5. Okay. Now from 5 we subtract 2. 5 minus 2. 3. 7 minus 3. 4. So difference is 435. Now next one, 625 minus 417. So from 5 you cannot subtract 7. So for that what we do? We take a borrowing from next place. So here is 2. So we keep it as 1 year. From 2 we take 1 to a next place. So it becomes 15 here. From 15 now you can subtract 7. So 15 minus 7, your answer will be 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2. So whenever the number itself is subtracted, your answer will be 0. This you know, the property of 0. And now, next third one. 541 minus 217. From that now we subtract. From 1 we can subtract 7 kids? No. So from 1 we cannot subtract 7. So for that what we have to do? We will take a borrowing. Borrowing means here 4 is there. From 4 you take 1 here. From here 1 you take. 11. It will become 11. From 4 you have given 1. Now what will remain? 3 will remain, because from 4 1 you have given to ones place. 1 10 you have given to ones place. So 11 minus 7. Your difference is 4. 3 minus 1. 2. 5 minus 2. 3. Okay kids. Now next one we subtract 976 minus 309. So same way, we cannot subtract 9 from 6, isn't it? So for that what we do? We take again borrowing from next number. From 7 you take borrowing. Okay, from 7 you take what? 1 borrowing for the next number. So what remains here? 6. From here will become 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, difference is 7. 6 minus 0, 6. The number, if you from the number you subtract the 0, the answer or the difference will be the number itself. 9 minus 3, 6. 667. Now next one here. Same it is, that is also 444 minus 137. So from 4 we cannot subtract 8. So we take a borrowing. 4 here will remain 3 and this 1 tenth will become here 14. So 14 minus 8, 6 will remain here. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. So your difference is 306. Now here next here, tens, ones and hundreds, same. From ones place 2 minus 6 it is. So we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So for that what we do? We take a borrowing. So from 7 here remains 6. From 6 here becomes 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So your difference is 46. So kids, you understood how to borrow from tens place to ones place. So we will learn how to borrow from next place. Next place, which is our next place? 100 place. So that we will learn. Today now we have learnt about tens to ones, and now we will learn about ones, tens, hundreds to tens. Subtraction by grouping hundreds to tens. First of all, tell me 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Same way, 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 10 times 10 makes 100. Is it correct? Okay. Now, here from first place, 527 minus 354. This is your subtraction. So from 7 you can subtract 4. From ones, first we start from ones place. 7 minus 4, your answer is 3. So it will be, your answer is correct. Directly you can solve. 7 minus 4, 3. So here now 2 it is. From 2 can you subtract 5? No. So from tens place, from 2 you cannot subtract 5. Then what you are going to do? You are going to take a carry from 100 place. You are going to take a carry from 100 place. From 100 place you all will take a carry. For that what you will do? Here are 5. From 5 you give 100 to 12. So what will become here? 2 will become 12. Okay. From 1200 can you subtract 5 hundreds? Yeah, sorry, from 12 120 days, and now here 5. So can you subtract 12 from 5? Yes. From 12 you subtract 5. So what will remain? Your answer will be 7. 12 minus 5, 7. From 500s you have given 1 to 10th place. 1 to 10th place. So then what it will become now here? Here what will become? 4. Why? Because from 5 you have given 1 to 10th place and 4 will remain. 4 minus 3, your answer will be 1. Okay kids, now we will solve such sums, few such sums here below. Now here look at this. 458 minus 264. Before regrouping, what it is? 4 hundreds, 5 tens and 8 ones. After regrouping, what will become? See here. From ones place you will subtract directly 8 minus 4, 4. 4 you subtract. From 8 minus 4, your answer will remain 4. Same now. From tens place the number is 5 and you are going to subtract 6. 5 from 6. So it's not possible. So you will take a borrowing from this side. From this side means again you take a 10 tens you will take borrowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 borrowings, and before are how many numbers here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what becomes? 5 becomes 15. Count here. 5 becomes 15. Here 5 is there. Here 15 is there. 5 becomes 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. 5 becomes 15 here. So you can subtract now 15 minus 6. Okay, from 15 you can subtract 6. So what will remain? 9. Now you have given 1 to 10th place. Then here before were 4. Now here are 3. After regrouping here is 3. So directly subtract 3 from 2. 4 will become 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, like this you have to subtract. This one I will solve. Look at this. I will solve this. 825. 5 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones and 2 tens. 1, 2 and 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 hundreds, 2 tens, 5 ones. So after regrouping, what will become? See here. 825 minus 543. From 5 you can subtract 2 directly. From 2 can you subtract 4? No. For that what you do? You take carry from 100 place. So here will remain 7 and here will become 12. Okay, here are 12. 5 ones same as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here will be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, from 12 you subtract how much? 4. Now here is already here are 8 dots. From 8 you will give 1 to here, means here will remain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now what you do? Subtraction. Okay, you are going to subtract now. Now for this what you will do? From here, from 5 you are going to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 is remaining. 2 is remaining. From 12, 4 you are going to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is remaining. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is remaining. So understood kids how to solve the subtraction and how to take a borrowing from 100 place. First you learnt about to take a borrowing from tens place. For ones place you take borrowing from tens place. For tens place you take borrowing from 100 place. For 100 place you have to take borrowing from 1000 place. And that we learn your next year in your 4th standard. Okay kids, and we will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day. Take care kids. Bye bye.